How to log in into your Paramount Plus account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Paramount Plus account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, head over to any web browser and search for Paramount TV or Paramount Plus. After you search for it, you will see the link pop up. Simply go to Paramount's official site. Now you can simply head over to paramountplus.com too. After you head over there, you will see the sign in option right here or right here. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for it by tapping on sign up. If you have an account, tap on sign in. After you tap on sign in, you'll get redirected to this sign in section. Now right here, you will need to type in your email and password. So after you type in your email and password, tap on continue, and then you'll get logged into your Paramount Plus account. If you have forgotten your account, there is an option from which you can reset your account too. And yeah, that is basically it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.